In the shadow of diplomacy, conflict rages on. Russia has launched missile and drone attacks on Ukraine, shattering the illusion of a ceasefire. As the world slept, the skies over Ukraine buzzed with the hum of drones and the piercing whistles of missiles. In the northeastern city of Sumy, a hospital bore the brunt of this unseen aggression, a stark reminder of the civilian toll these conflicts take. The Ukrainian Air Force reports a staggering 145 drones fired into their airspace, a testament to the scale of the assault. And yet all this unfolded just hours after Presidents Trump and Putin supposedly agreed to halt attacks on energy infrastructure, a significant step towards peace. But the reality on the ground tells a different story. As the smoke clears, the world watches, questioning the authenticity of Russia's claimed support for peace. To comprehend the present, we must trace the past. The timeline of events leading up to this point is filled with tension and broken promises. Our journey begins with a conversation between two world leaders, Presidents Trump and Putin. A dialogue filled with hope, culminating in a ceasefire pledge, a promise to halt attacks on energy infrastructure in the name of peace. Yet, the ink on this vow was barely dry when the calm was shattered. A barrage of missiles and drones rained down on Ukraine, a stark violation of the recently agreed ceasefire. Among the targets, a hospital in the northeastern city of Sumy, revealing a chilling disregard for the sanctity of civilian life. In the face of this aggression, Ukraine didn't stand idle. A prisoner exchange between Russia and Ukraine became a beacon of hope amidst the turmoil. Yet the diplomatic discussions continued, a delicate dance on a global stage, each move carefully calculated, each word meticulously chosen. President Zelensky of Ukraine stood firm, his overnight statement a testament to his resolve. He declared that the missile and drone attacks launched by Russia showed that Moscow's claimed support for a ceasefire in Ukraine was not real. A stark reminder that in this game of chess, the stakes are high, and the consequence of each move is felt by the ordinary people caught in the crossfire. In a world of politics and power, words and actions often paint different pictures. In the midst of chaos, clarity is a necessity. Let's untangle the threads of this complex narrative. Hours after a seemingly promising conversation between Presidents Trump and Putin, Russia launched a barrage of missiles and over 140 drones into Ukraine. The assault was anything but random, with civilian infrastructure, including a hospital in the northeastern city of Sumy, becoming targets of this aggression. The ceasefire, a glimmer of hope in the dark, was shattered as quickly as it was agreed upon. In the face of this breach, Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky voiced his concern, asserting that Moscow's claimed support for peace is far from the reality on the ground. Even as the world held its breath, hoping for a pause in the attacks, the barrage on energy infrastructure continued unabated. Yet amid the turmoil, diplomatic efforts persist. A prisoner exchange took place between Russia and Ukraine, and talks are ongoing. The world leaders are engaging in a delicate dance, balancing the need for peace with the realities of conflict. Trump's conversation with Putin was described as productive, and an immediate halt on energy and infrastructure attacks was agreed upon, at least in theory. The situation remains tense, with the promise of a full ceasefire and permanent peace hanging in the balance. Putin's demands and Zelensky's resilience add further layers to this intricate plot. The dance of diplomacy and conflict continues, and the world waits, hoping for a harmony that seems elusive. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here, like, subscribe, comment and share.